So when people ask what I do for a living, I typically say I'm a consultant. I work with organizations and individuals who are interested in moving the world towards equity. And as part of my toolkit, I use evaluative thinking, evaluative practices, strategy, communication, capacity building, and coaching. So I use those and weave those all together. I think the most rewarding part of my work is that moment when someone who had a less than positive experience or impression of evaluation understands that inquiry is a powerful tool and that it shapes narrative and worldview and perceptions, and they actually have a fundamental role in redefining what that inquiry should be informed by. So when I think about how I approach evaluation work with my clients, I typically enter from actually evaluative thinking. So, which is that intersection between strategy and evaluation, which I alluded to before. So our work usually begins with having them really articulate their theory of change at whatever level they happen to be at. Again, getting really clear on the context, the assumptions, the values, the outcomes that they're seeking, and then based on that and just the realities of the resources they have, right? And also what's most important for them to answer at that moment. That's usually then how we move into designing the evaluation. We tend to work at an organizational level, which are comprised of multiple programs. So we try to help an organization using evaluative thinking understand what the larger frame is for their evaluative work, and then how programs are a reflection of strategy, and then also in the evaluation work, how their findings help them understand their overall organizational impact. So we just like to go a little bit broader, but program evaluation is a piece of that.